Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. For those that saw the series, Making a Damascus Knife, KnifeKits.com, you know how impressed I was with the Wicked Wax Alex sent. So impressed, I contacted Fred, the inventor of Wicked Wax. Talked with him on the phone, told him I was sold on the product, and asked if he could send a few cans. He said he could do that, and he also sent some of the Wicked Clean. This is a cleaning and polishing compound that has mild abrasives. Now we'll zoom in and let everyone see the stuff close. We'll polish up a view. We're going to start off with a Wicked Clean. I have several knives I'd like to clean for everyone, just so you can see what it does. See what it does to this buck knife. Doesn't take a whole lot. Very close. Just back up. Get this in good too. Weavis did a good job on this knife. No one traveled on this buck knife. This little buck knife is probably close to 45 years old. I think it did a nice job on this one as well. Now we're going to get to the Wicked Wax. And not only can you put this on the blade, you can put it on other materials too. We're just going to show you that as well. Put it on these scales. I've never had anything put on. And this Wicked Wax is food grade too. 100%. Looks awful good for a knife of that age. Now we're going to put it on the sheath. I believe that did a good job on it as well. We're going to take the Wicked Wax and we're going to put it back on this buck knife. See if it won't polish up a little more than the Clean did, which I believe it will. And I believe everyone can see how these products work. I told Fred I was sold on this, and I like this cleaner too. Now we'll have a few final words. And I hope everyone can see why I'm so crazy about this Wicked Wax. And I've tested several knives with it after I've stropped them, and it does cut better. Don't know why, but it does. Order some both of these products today. I'm going to do some more tests with this cleaner. I do like the way it works. Till then, the Bearded Sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.